So we just pulled up to a job. Dirt Perfect's on the John Deere 120 somewhere out in that field behind us. We'll get this 90-2 offloaded on this trailer, see what we're up to. Alright, skid steer's off trailer. I could hear him somewhere over there. So we're gonna head that general direction, see if we can find Mike, see what the heck we're up to today. Your guess is as good as mine, to be honest with you. I'm really not sure. So I think we're getting closer. You can see some deer tracks here, and then there's the rubbings up there. It's an odd time of year to shed, but he might be. There's his rubbings up there. So we're gonna follow those deer tracks that way, see what we get. We got it figured out. Trying to find you guys. I don't know where you are, but I'm trying to find you. You gotta be in this corn somewhere. Found you. I found you guys. No worries. Is this weird? It's weird.
I was worried. I was very worried.
I was worried too. All right, so we found you guys, and that's good. You fell off the side. You guys, you're living dangerous really when you're riding along here. So check out Dirt Perfect's page as always. I know you guys do, but just in case there's one random stranger on here that doesn't, check out Dirt Perfect's page. It's that guy right there in the track hole. He's doing a job about this culvert. He's so aggressive today. And anywho, I'm just gonna throw a little dirt on it. So let's do that. We're just gonna cross first, and then we're gonna use some of this dirt from the other side. Whee! All right. Okay, so time out real quick. I'm gonna show you a new mount I got. I used it a couple times today. Check it out. It's this spike. It's made for trail cams. It comes with 3 or 4 of these rods, and they screw together if you want to make them taller or shorter. It just screws onto this little attachment that also comes with it, which is super handy dandy. It's got this little ball here so you can adjust the angle with a thumb screw. Let me put you down. Hold on before I do that. It screws into there, but I gotta put you down to do that. And it just attaches on the bottom like that. Super handy. So you can just take it, jam it in the ground. It's made for trail cams, I think is what they advertise it for, but super handy for guys that do YouTube channels with GoPros and dirt. Also handy if like we're filming and a bear shows up, you know, you can kind of get the bear or whatever. Yeah, so, okay, whatever, bears. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description to this. I got it off Amazon, pretty inexpensive. Hoping we can come up with some cool new shot designs and ideas with it. There's Mike inspecting my work. Didn't get a thumbs down, so we'll take that. It's a thumb negative, neutral, thumb neutral. That's neutral, it's okay. So we got this little culvert thingy cleaned up for Mike. Look, I backed across it with the pickup truck. That's probably the same as the combine, I'm sure. We're gonna go back in the skid steer where this berm is. We're just gonna clean up some of the sticks and stuff that fell. That's what we're doing. So here's the deal. We just finished up that little thing with the skid steer. There's a skid steer sitting on there all strapped down. Strap across the forks, 4 chains, you know, whole yard. It's a buddy of Mike's called, said he had a water leak, so we're gonna go ahead and load up and go swap out the 304 on the pintle hitch with the CD500. See if we can go help this guy out with the water leak. Kind of part's a little stupid here though, so you gotta back up a little bit first, which is not a good idea. Pro tip, don't park where you have to back up, you know what I mean? We'll see if we can get out of here. Of course, she didn't have any problem crawling out of that ditch. We went to fix that water line. It really ended up not being that big of a deal. We didn't even make a video on it, so we're going to go ahead and call this the end of this one. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.